Welcome back. Run coming panda one, yeah. Dwayne dance to stay in my own lane. Yes, him say the one, yeah, I make him audience laugh because that's what he want them to do, and for the angry faces to get angrier. He also spoke about the situation with June and his live that he had with chocolate and vanilla.
Video, I do it because I want to make the angry face people them angry, and also I want to make the real people them who support me laugh, because we know say when I do my nonsense, them laugh. So I'm gonna continue to do my nonsense. You see it? Chocolate and vanilla BFF. The songs were really yes. And honestly, guys, I was really having a lot of technical difficulties because my damn phone, I believe I needed to delete Facebook and re-download it. That made me got into the live because I don't know what was happening. But anyway, I'm gonna say thank you to Chocolate and Vanilla for having me on your page. You guys were treating me okay now. I won't have no technical difficulties, so I will just come in and just enter on like a water like I'm done with it free and rubbing it like Gina from Palace. You know how we do. That's the thing there. You know, big up your damn self. Thank you for having me on your page. I love you guys with all of my heart. So you, honestly, it's people like you social media needs. I saw someone made a comment about some person getting disrespectful. I don't care. I don't care. Audra, Tamara, Simsima, Kay, Tashi, and Corin. That's it. That's it. How are you guys doing today? How are you guys? Oh, 30, let's just tell them, guys, in terms of June, I believe June has had enough help from my page and my supporters. So the monies I have for her, I'm going to send it to Jamaica as soon as I can. And that will be the end of it. Right, 13?
Yes.
Anything else you want to add?
No.
Mm-hmm. So what are we going to talk about tonight? Okay, guys, it is done. The deed is done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you get your credit, let me know. I've sent out the info for the credits. Anyways, guys, I'm at the stay. God bless you all. To all of my people who I chose for credit, God bless you. Use your credit wisely. And I eat that. Oh my God. Bye, guys.